Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some gungo rice and peas. Yes, so in my pot right here I've got at least 1.5 cup of gungo peas that I already washed and clean, and to my pot I add at least 4 cup of water. Yeah, and I also add 3 cloves of garlic that I finely cut. Okay, what the garlic does is tenderize the peas so it cook fast. And I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of my pimento seed. But guys, if you want, you can always use a pressure cooker so it cook faster. Okay, so this is all. You saw the water nice and clean. The peas well washed. So this is all the gungo peas look. They're very small. Yeah, so now we are gonna cook it, so stay tuned. So now my pot is on the stove. So guys, I'm just gonna allow my peas to cook, okay, until it became really soft. Okay, it can take 2 hours because you know gungo peas is very tough peas, so it takes a lot of patience. Okay, but stay tuned for the whole video. So I'm just gonna cover my pot. So these are my rest of my ingredients for my gungo rice and peas. So these are my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? And 2 spoons of butter. And my coconut milk, and I'm gonna use 1 can. And I'm gonna use the Grace coconut milk, because trust me, this one is really good. It make your rice and pea taste so good. Yes, so I advise you, if you can get it. Yeah, so this is my spring onions, which is scallion, so I'm gonna use this amount, my fresh thyme, and 1 scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, so guys, my gungo peas been cooking for almost 2 hours. Okay, so this is what it look like. I'm just gonna show you guys how it look. You see that? It pressed all the way down, so it's finished. And what I did, guys, the water was reducing and I add at least ½ cup of water to it. Okay, yes, because it was going down. So firstly, I'm just gonna add my coconut milk. Give it a stir. Then I'm gonna add all my seasoning. My scallion. My scallion is already washed, guys. It's clean. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna press it down. So when you press it down, all the juice come right through. Okay, just squash it up. Gonna also add my fresh thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper, and my butter. And you're just gonna allow it to come to a boil for at least 10 minutes. Okay, and you can always taste to your liking. If you need any more salt, you can always add just a bit of salt. So this is my rice that I'm gonna add to my gungo rice and peas. and I'm gonna add basmati rice, okay? But you can use long grain rice, you know, whatever rice you have. And I'm gonna use at least 2 cups, okay? So guys, it's already washed, yeah? But make sure when you're washing it, you remove all the starch from it and drain off all the excess water, okay? Yes. So just after 10 minutes, this is what it look like. Pot a bubble up. I'm telling you guys, it smells so good. All those herbs smell amazing. So now I'm gonna add my rice. So guys, you want to make sure that the liquid is above the rice, okay? If there is too much liquid, you can always remove just a bit of it, yeah? But this is perfect. That is so perfect. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna allow it to cook, okay? So stay tuned. Make sure your stove is on a medium heat. Don't turn up your stove too high because you don't want your rice to burn up, okay? So my gungo rice and peas been cooking just over 20 minutes. So now I'm just gonna check on it. Oh my goodness, guys, I mean, just look at it. It looking super delicious. Oh my goodness. Let I get a fork. It look amazing. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my knife and I'm gonna pierce my knife through it. And just to show you guys, if it's finished, you can do this. So you see that? It come out dry. So it is all finished, okay? That's perfect. Then I'm gonna take my fork and just rake it up. Oh my goodness, this look amazing, guys. You guys are gonna enjoy this recipe. And it is so shelly, nice and shelly. That's how I like my rice and peas at times. You can serve it up with some jerk chicken, some curry goat, some oxtail, curry chicken, whatever you prefer. They look amazing, guys. So good. It is nicely done. This is a big pot of rice and peas. I don't know how I love cook so much, you know. I love to cook these big pot of food. Don't forget, guys, to share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I would really appreciate it, guys. I worked so hard just to get this video out for you guys. So please support my channel. And if you have been supporting my YouTube channel, I thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. See the scotch bonnet pepper here? Make sure you don't bust. See it here? Right here, so. Make sure it don't bust, okay? Because if it bursts, your rice and peas are going to be pepper. It's going to be too hot. And you don't want that. So now I'm just gonna plate it up, and I'm telling you guys, it looking so good. I'm gonna serve mine with some fish cooked in some coconut milk. Yes, and I'm telling you, it goes so perfectly with it. So guys, please comment below and tell me what would you serve this gungo rice and peas with, okay? And if you do try this recipe, please let me know what it's like. I want to hear you guys' feedback, okay? Yes. Guys, I hope you all do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and share this video to your friends, everyone on your social media. As I said, I really appreciate it. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love.